Gorgeous waterfalls here in Rishikesh. This is so awesome. You can just feel the energy from the falling water all over. Love the sound of it. And if you feel like having a picnic lunch, just over a little bit here, you can see the dining room area. Chairs and a table. And that's where you would have your lunch.